Yo, you see me? That boy, anytime you see me with a girl, no feel say a simple thing me have to do to get her. You hear me? I have money me have to spend some millions. That me tell you. For sure you me take the girl, see last boy girl me take. I'm tell her what me do. I see me see her and like her and give her money for buy KFC for she and her man. That me I tell you. And me do it back to back. Her man have money to go work. I'm call her over. And me say, hold that. Go and go give him that and the man hate me until he send it over me hard and from that he not go back over him. Let me tell you this. Any day you see me with your girl, no feel like say, I like, oh no, we are talking about. Me walk on the moon phone, no. A whole heap of thing me have to do forget that. I be a petty talk you know have. I tell a girl about only love girl more than no mother. I tell a girl about girl sweet like honey. Oh, you know say girl sweet like honey. You know say girl sweet like honey. Tell me now. Somehow know I'm nasty man. You know go around the girl man when the girl beg you know a credit you can't give them. When the girl beg you know something you can't give them. You know a waste man you know see that. You know a waste man you have to try hard to get girl.